Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this video is really interesting, and why am I saying interesting? Because I've never done such kind of topic. I've never spoken about such kind of topic on my channel. But before that, I'm going to tell you one thing, that why am I sitting like this bare face, like no makeup at all, completely nude, completely bare, completely naked face. Why? Because I wanted to show you my real face. Yes, I have some bumps, I have some spots and pimples, but I'm just going to talk about everything in this video, and I'm going to show you about this product right here. So this is a supplement, nutrition supplement for your skin, body, health, everything. It's very healthy, and if you want to know what I'm going to talk about this product and what I have to say about this product, please keep on watching. So this is by Healthy Hair brand. It's a nutrition brand, and it's their Gold Series Hydrolyzed Bovine Collagen Type 1 and 3. It has hyaluronic acid, biotin and vitamin C. It's for skin, hair, nails, joints and bones. It's not only just for your skin, it's for your entire body. I'm going to show you how to consume this and what are the benefits of it and what I have to say about this. And it's a 200 gram product. It has orange flavor, but it doesn't have any scent of that flavor. You don't smell it, don't have any fragrance of it. And it's about, if I talk about the price, it's a little pricey. It's like 2,500 for 200 gram, but it's a nutrition product. You have to have nutrition in your body, as in you have to consume nutrition for your good health. Sometimes we don't really eat like some vegetables, some food items which are very good for our body because we don't like it, and sometimes we don't have that much of time for yourself to do it. So this is a very good substitute if you skip all those vegetables and food items, protein in your meal. So you should always go for a nutrition supplement. So let's see how to use it, how to consume it, and in what ways you can consume it, and what are the benefits of it. So it comes in a nice this big tub over here, and the packaging, if I talk about, then this is a plastic jar, plastic tub, and it has a nice purple little lid, and everything is, you can see it's already open. I have used it, that's why I'm talking about it, and everything is written about the product over here, the ingredients, the measurements of the ingredients, how to consume it, and what are the benefits of it. So let's see how to consume it. So you get a nice scoop in this. So you have to take a glass of water. So I have taken this nice big glass of water, and you have to take a scoop of it, put it in here, and then mix it. So my drink is ready right here. Why am I consuming this review? Because I don't want to give you false reviews about it. I want to be truthful and honest with you. So you should believe me that I do consume it. That's why I'm going to show you that I do consume it. So if I talk about the taste is a little bit orangey because the flavor is orange. But like I said, it is not that strong. It is not strongly scented or put fragrance in it to make us feel that flavor. No, it's not like that. Just a little bit you get when you drink it. There are two types you can have this. You can have this in a drink as I had it. So if you're having a drink, then you should have it twice. Once first drink of your day, like once you wake up completely empty stomach, you should have this in chilled water, not warm, not hot. And then the last drink of your day, once you go to your bed. Before going to your bed, you have to have this drink. That's twice. And yeah, like I said, there are two types of having this. You can sprinkle this on your salad, on your fruits, or on your anything which is raw, like raw vegetables, raw fruits, or salad, however you want to, because you won't get that taste There are few flavors in it. I got orange flavor, you have non-flavored as well. So it's completely on your choice what you want to go for. So that's it about the flavor and taste. Let's talk about why to have this and why to have this in our routine. So nutrition and protein are always very helpful for our body, and it has to have in our daily routine. We shouldn't ever skip nutrition or protein in your daily routine, right? As I am 28, people tend to get like the effects of their age on their face, on their body, in their lifestyle. So till the time we are teenagers, till 18 to 20, we don't get that many problems on our face or in our body, like the pimples, breakouts, or bone pain, ligament issues, or back pain, or whatnot. But if you have nutrition in your routine, so the collagen tends to get lesser and lesser in our body as we start to grow, as we age more and more. So till the time we are 18 and 20, it's fine. But as soon as we start to get 22, 25, 28, 30, and after 30, it's more problematic. We tend to lose our collagen in our body. So to have the collagen in our body, to have the nutrition in our body, to have the protein in our body, we should have nutrition and their supplements. So this is the best product I have seen so far. So like they claim, it very good for our skin, for our bones, for our joints, for our nails, for our hair, and for our body. So it literally helps to improve our skin from inside, like internally it helps. It clears out everything, like whatever the bad material is there inside, it clears up, purify our blood, it helps our blood circulation and everything that helps to have nice and healthy skin and body and our health. So it helps to clear your skin, it helps to make your hair stronger and more shinier and more healthier. It helps your nails to be more stronger and healthier. It doesn't bend so much. I have seen the improvement in my nails as well. It's good for your bones, as I have ligament issue and I do have problems in my right knee and right ankle. I won't say that it helped me out in that way that much, because I haven't. You have to have this for 3 months at least, so to see proper result for everything. I have seen difference in my face, in my hair, in my nails, but about my bones I won't say that much because I haven't used it for 3 months. And if you're pregnant, if you have any food allergy, then please go to your doctor and ask about it, get their recommendation and get their approval, then only use it, because I'm not a doctor or I am not at all medically licensed person. So I'm just recommending this to you because of my experience. This works for me, it may not work for you. So it's better to get approval from a proper authorized person, which is a doctor. So always, if you have any allergy, if you're sensitive like me, if you're pregnant, then please go and ask to a doctor that you should have this or no, get it tested. So this is their website. They have so many products of nutrition and supplements. So they claim that they make over 140 high quality supplements, and they have flat 10% discount on purchase over 1500, and they have a coupon. And if you want to buy these products, or if you want to check out other products from this brand, then do check out my description box. I have given their link, so you can go and buy if you want, or else you can check out other nutrition products and supplements from this brand. So this product is completely natural. They have no sugar, they have no preservatives, and it has made with natural food color. Everything is mentioned over here, and it is dermatologically tested. You don't have to worry about this product, but I would suggest to go and please get an approval from your doctor. And that's it for this video, as in I have shared my own experience, because I have been having this from few days. I haven't completed the 3 months, which they claim, like if you have this for 3 months, then you will get better result and complete results. So I have started seeing difference in my skin, my nails and my hair. So that's it for this video. I hope you must have liked it. I have given my honest review about it. Let me know in my comment box what you feel about this video and my review. So guys, I'll really feel very grateful if you could tell me what you think about my video in my comment box, because that will mean a lot to me, because sitting like this in front of you and give honest review is like challenging, and people should have guts, to sit like this and talk about it and give honest reviews about the products they are recommending. So if you will let me know what you think about it, I will be really grateful. And that's it for this. Just give me a big fat thumbs up if you do like my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon right beside the subscribe button. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye.